Switching gears a bit, NASA's Mars Helicopter Ingenuity just completed its second flight, which is a higher, bolder flight. The first flight that they did, essentially the helicopter just went up in the air, about like a couple feet in the air, hovered there, came directly back down. That was the first flight just to test that it was possible, to take off and land on Mars, because the atmosphere is very different there. That was successful. So then they did a second flight where it was this is about the second flight, and the second flight was essentially doing a couple more. The second flight, it flew a little bit higher, about 1.5 times higher, to 16 feet up in the air, and it also had sideways movement of about 7 feet before returning to the ground. It also snapped a couple of pictures. You can see right here, that's the shadow of the Ingenuity from the air. They used this black and white navigation camera. So this is a pretty exciting thing, because this was one of the first times we saw NASA able to fly an aircraft from another planet. First, it was like the first powered, controlled flight on another planet. The first one just went up in the air, came back down. This one had a lot more movement to it, so it's pretty exciting, and this could lead the way to how they're going to be able to explore different planets, space moving forward, because the helicopter right now, it handles all tasks autonomously. They program everything well beforehand. Commands are sent from Earth well beforehand. Then it flies. But this is going to have big impacts on space travel in the future. Now that we know that we can launch something from another planet, even if the atmosphere is completely different, and able to navigate, fly, take pictures, and it's going to help with exploring Mars, going to other planets in the future. And this is a really, really big step.